Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from Brain League Learning. In this lesson, we will build a strong visual intuition for the difference between circuit switching and message switching in networks. At a high level, circuit switching creates a dedicated path first, keeps it reserved while you communicate, and releases it when you finish. Message switching breaks the information into whole messages, and each message hops from node to node, being stored and forwarded along the way. Let us draw two small networks to demonstrate. On the left, we will visualize circuit switching with a dedicated path. On the right, we will visualize message switching with store and forward behavior. First, circuit switching. Step 1. Setup. The network reserves a dedicated route from sender to destination. Step 2. Transfer. Data flows as a smooth stream along the reserved path. Step 3. Tear down. When you are done, the path is released. Now, message switching. The sender transmits a whole message to the first node. That node stores the message. If the next link is busy, it waits in a queue. When the link is available, the node forwards the entire message to the next node. This repeats, node by node, until the destination is reached. For examples, circuit switching is like a traditional telephone call, where a dedicated route is set up end to end. Message switching is like early email or fax store and forward, where each complete message hops along and can wait in queues on the way. Now, let us compare advantages and disadvantages. Circuit switching. Once the path is set, you get constant bandwidth and smooth real-time communication, with predictable delay during the call. The downsides are that resources stay reserved even when you are silent, and there is call setup time. Message switching. No dedicated path means better link utilization, and messages can route around failures or congestion. But each node must store whole messages, and busy nodes can cause large delays. So when should you use which? Choose circuit switching when you need a steady, real-time connection, such as a voice call or live audio. Choose message switching when some delay is acceptable and you want efficient use of the network, such as sending documents or batch data. To recap, circuit switching locks a lane for you end-to-end, smooth, and predictable while it lasts. Message switching lets each message hop from node to node, waiting when it must, but using the network efficiently. Thank you for learning with Brain League Learning.